Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. Sunil Kumar Bansal, 1987 batch IPS officer, has been named as the new Director General of Odisha Police. A Home Department notification of the state government said that the appointment has been made on the recommendation of the Union Public Service Commission and in the interest of public service. 3 Gaon Satis attempted self-immolation after pouring kerosene over themselves at Lower PMG area in Bhubaneswar today. Police have admitted them to Capital Hospital. Hundreds of Gaon Satis have been protesting at Lower PMG for the past 60 days, demanding regularization of jobs and 8,000 rupees monthly salary. Police DG Abhay Wednesday ordered an investigation by the State Crime Branch into the death of Chittaranjan Palai, a key aide BJD leader Sanjay Das Verma. Crime Branch ADG Sanjeev Panda said Crime Branch DSP Sisir Kumar Mishra will be the investigating officer and 3 officers including 1 inspector, 1 sub-inspector and an ASI will assist him in the probe. In a bid to address issues arising out of organized crime in Cuttack and Bhubaneswar, the Odisha government has decided to set up a dedicated special crime investigation unit which will function under the Commissionerate Police for the investigation of organized and other complex crimes and criminal networks. The Uttha Dokani Vyavsayi Sangha organized a massive protest in front of the office of BMC alleging irregularities in the allotment of stalls in vending zones of Bhubaneswar. The vending zone are being allotted to influential persons, the association alleged. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik Wednesday raised the demand for a special dispensation from the centre to help Odisha catch up with the frontline states. Patnaik put forth the demand during his interaction with Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar and his team. The team is on a 3-day visit to the state. Group Captain Varun Singh, a decorated air warrior who was seriously injured in the chopper crash in Tamil Nadu December 8, died Wednesday at a military hospital in Bangalore, the IAF said. It said the Braveheart Group Captain succumbed to his injuries this morning. Bangladesh today accorded a red carpet welcome to President Ramnath Kovind upon his arrival in Dhaka on a maiden 3-day state visit, during which he will hold talks with his counterpart and attend the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Bangladesh's 1971 liberation from Pakistan. 2 months after he was snapped by the Philippines police, dreaded gangster Suresh Pujari has been deported to India and will face charges for nearly 24 serious crimes in Mumbai, officials said today. India Test skipper Virat Kohli today said the BCCI never asked him to reconsider quitting T20 leadership as claimed by the board, and his removal from ODI captaincy happened 90 minutes before the team's selection for the upcoming South Africa tour. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.